On this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can actually make money in 2024 being a freelancer. Yes, guys, freelancing is one thing that can make you money right now wherever you are. And one question I've had people say is they don't really understand what freelancing is all about. So even if you are a beginner, you don't know anything about freelancing, then this video is for you. If you are looking at making money right now on the internet in this year. So guys, welcome to my channel. I'm super excited that you are on this video. My name is Ibe Grace, and on this video I share everything about making money, getting you customers in your business, and growing your business to the next level so that you can live the better life that you desire. If that is something that you are interested in, then you want to join the family by subscribing and also setting notification on so that whenever I put videos like this, you will be the first to actually get notified so that you can jump on it and learn all that I will be sharing so that you can take action first, right? So on this video, I'll be sharing with you how to very well get started making money as a freelancer. So let's get into it already. So the first thing I want to decide on is what is freelancing, right? The first thing I want to start with is defining what freelancing is about. Yes, I believe that you have heard freelancing, a lot of persons told you I'm a freelancer, you've heard it online, offline, but what exactly is freelancing? So for you, freelancing simply means you are offering services and you are getting paid for it. So you are giving value to people and you get money in return. That is what freelancing is about. So you are not confined to a particular location. You are not confined to, a particular space. Wherever you are, whatever country you are in right now, even as an employee, a business person, a student, whatever it is that you are doing, you can very well start freelancing from that place that you are. And the beautiful thing about it is that it does not cost you much. Yes, it will not cost you much for you to get started. Yeah, so what are you supposed to do to actually get started so that you can begin to make $100, $5,000 in a month? That is what I'll be sharing with you. So the first thing you want to do is to actually decide on what services you want to give out. Yes, guys, the first thing you want to decide is for you to decide on the niche you want to focus on. Who exactly do you want to service? Who exactly do you want to give value to? Who are the people you are looking to give you money in exchange? Now, you must understand that the ability for you to define exactly, right, who you want to service is your first step to actually making money, because there are a lot of things that people are looking for. So you want to ask yourself, what is the main thing, right? So when you are deciding on your niche, you want to look at the amount of people that is in that niche. That means the amount of people that actually need the solution that you are offering, right? So that you can actually make the kind of money you are looking at making. Because when you don't have enough people in that service or that needs that service, you will not be making the kind of amount you want to make. So you want a space or you want a niche that has a lot of people needing the solution you want to offer, right? So when you decide on the service or on the niche that you want to offer, the next thing is for you to begin to look out for customers. So who are the kind of customers that need the service that you actually want to offer? So you begin to look out for customers. Now, the first thing I want you to do is for you to offer your service for free. Yes, if you're just starting out, for instance, right, you want to offer your service for free so that you can get expertise, right? You can get testimonials from people. Now, look at the people that actually need the services that are around you and you want to offer them your service for free. So it could could be friends and families, right? You tell them this is what you can do and you want to do this thing for them for free, so that they can tell you if you've done something well, and they can tell you if there's a mistake. You can, with that process, learn how to do that service the more, right? You get experience, you gain experience from that process. So in the process of you giving out your services for free, you're getting expertise, you're getting experience, you're getting testimonials. People are beginning to know that you actually do this. And as you are doing that for people, of course, you are having social proof that you actually do this thing that you said you are doing, right? So once you begin to do this for free, you're getting experiences and all of that, then you can begin to reach out to a wider range of people. Now, peradventure, you don't have people in your family and friends that would need that service that you're offering. Then you want to ask yourself, who are the people you have noticed online or offline around your location that would need the service that you are offering? So you want to pen down like 5 to 10 names and reach out to these people, right? Reach out to these people, tell them you want to give them same service for free. So if I don't have family and friends that would need my services, I can look at people, maybe influencers or mini influencers, and reach out to them, asking them that this is what I can do for them and I want to do it for them for free, right? So once they agree that I do this thing for them, of course you are going to put in your best, right, to make sure that whatever it is you are doing for them, you are doing it at your best. So you do that for them for free, and they see it, they get to like it, and from there you can even ask them for referrals and recommendations. So once they begin to refer you, they begin to recommend you to their friends, to their family members, to other people that will need your services. That is how you begin to get more clients to yourself. All right, so you want to first and foremost get your family and friends to actually test what services you have, and if you don't have, reach out to people that would need your services. Also, you can use social media. Yes, you can use social media, Facebook, Instagram, X, that is the Twitter right now. You can actually use it to actually get people for free. So by the time you begin to use your profile, which is your personal profile, or you begin to build a page on any of the social media accounts, and you begin to put out those services that you are doing, those services, right? People begin to see you, and with your social proof of you telling people this is what I do, this is how I do it, and this is the people that I've done it for, and this is what they have to say about it, then you are very well going to get people attracted to yourself. So with social media, you can very well begin to get eyes to your services, and you begin to get recommendations, you begin to get referrals also from there. You can also use freelancing websites. Yes, guys, there are freelancing platforms that you can actually create an account on right now for free, and you can begin to get customers from there. So some of the freelancing website that I would recommend is Upwork, freelancing.com. We also have Fiverr.com. So these three freelancing, there are other ones, but these three are the top most that people actually use, and they have made a lot of money from it. So what you want to do is go to any of these websites and sign up as a freelancer there, right? Put up a profile, put up a description, and let people begin to see that you can offer the services. Now on those platforms, you want to make sure that you are pricing for a bit low as compared to people that have been on the platform for a very long time, right? So that you can get more people to yourself. So as you begin to get more customers from those platforms, then you can increase your price, right? But for starting, you can just start for low, reduce your price a bit so that you can get more people to yourself. So freelancing platforms is another place that you can very well, actually start getting customers. Now guys, if you have been getting value from this video, I want you to subscribe, I want you to like, and also let me know in the comments which service can you offer and get people to pay you. Yes guys, I want to know so that I can give you more hints on how to go about it. So let me know in the comments, what service can you offer to people so that they can pay you money in return. So guys, once you have registered on these platforms, then you begin to attract people to yourself and you begin to make money for yourself. Another thing you must know is that you need to continue to experiment, right? You need to continue to experiment. You need to continue to practice. Remember, they say practice make perfect, right? So you need to practice. Now, peradventure, you don't have any skill whatsoever. There are a lot of skills that you can learn online and begin to put out those services. So for instance, you can do graphics design, you can do websites, you can do book covers, you can help people write books. There are a lot of high paying skills that you can get started with, and I will give you a link to download my high paying skill book, right? So that you can see some of the skills that you can get to learn if you don't have any skill right now, and you can get to learn them and begin to put out those services. So if you want this my high paying skills, then I want you to state in the comments, Grace, give me the high paying skills book, right? And I will give it to you. I'll give you the link to go get it. Okay, it's for free, don't worry, right? So get any of those skills there and begin to practice as much as possible. Let people know about it on a daily basis, and please be patient with yourself. Yes, you're just starting out. It's a business, and yes, we are looking at making money, but it is not something that is magic, right? It is not magic. It is not, what is it called, a money Ponzi scheme, right? So you need to take time. It's going to take time for you to begin to make the amount of money that you want to make. So you need to be patient with yourself. You need to calm down and continue to do what you have to do. Continue to put yourself out there, continue to reach out to people, and you will very well make the money you are looking to make with time. All right, so let me know in the comment, guys, what service do you actually know how to do better and you would want to earn from. So let me know in the comments, right? Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video if you found it valuable, and make sure you also share so that some other people can see this video and learn what you have learned today. So this is how you can very well get started with freelancing this year and begin to make money. I will see you again on another video. Until then, ciao.